This process for one business takes 1 hour maximum.
1 hour.
It's a
Even less
maximum
than
1 hour
that also.
job.
Even less than that also. Yeah.
I am saying slow internet connection है, slow computer है,
Okay. Okay.
इसके साथ साथ,
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है.
तब तो सर
So
1 hour भी बहुत कम है.
so a 1 hour thing, and on a monthly basis, when he was able to do it, at the end of it, he was able to generate around 50K. I mean, he was so happy कि सर मेरा काम हो गया, मेरा काम हो गया, मेरी फीस निकल गई. And it's a very big achievement. कॉलेज के बच्चे के 50,000 रुपए महीने का कमाना, it's a big thing.
Big achievement. Yeah. Exactly.
So, and simple stuff, no rocket science,
No. No.
nothing.
Exactly.
That
Amazing.
is the power. That is the power of digital marketing. There are very simple things that you can do, and using those simple things, you can actually produce decent amount of cash.
If a person wants to start digital marketing via institute or by himself, so is it possible कि like would that particular person get expertise in all the fields like SEO, website designing, social media marketing, social media handling, all the stuff, or just he can be a player of one thing as per your experience?
Uh, Both the things are possible. However, what I've personally seen is not everyone takes a liking to all the modules present in digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the trends that I'm seeing these days is a lot of people are very much attracted to social media.
Yeah.
And running Facebook ads and other kinds of advertisement based things. One, because the jobs are very lucrative. Two, social media gets instant results. Plus, we've been using social media on a regular basis, so we feel much more friendlier.
Okay.
But when it comes to a little more technical things, so let's say WordPress website design and development, SEO, Google AdWords,
Yeah.
this is a much more technical, data-driven thing. So people
Okay.
who are attracted to this will put in everything that they've got. But not everyone does that. So even this is something that we've seen while delivering a lot of training, that when we're delivering a lot of SEO training, we give basic homework so that hands-on training goes on. Not many of them do it. But when we do it for social media, the percentage of homework completion increases a lot. So this is just a simple thing that we've seen so far.
And in spite of like social media, you're talking about the website designing and the SEO part. There are some myths and all that SEO is also having technical part. Like, is it
Yeah.
actual a myth, or is it like just a we can do it normal way also?
So okay, SEO has three major parts.
Okay.
It's got on-page SEO,
Okay.
which has a subpart called as technical SEO.
Okay.
Technical SEO is where you actually get into a lot of coding, where you need to compress the CSS. You need to do that for JavaScripts. You need to play with a little bit of code.
Okay.
What we learn in the regular courses,
Yeah.
just because we don't know what the background is of the child, so to standardize everything, we do everything on WordPress.
Yeah.
And all these technical SEO things and all of it can be done on WordPress with the use of a plugin. One or two plugins and things are done.
Yeah.
So technical SEO is kind of not touched for the end student. But in real life, when you deal in jobs, when you go out there, you pick up freelancing projects and you deal with real business people, okay, they don't know what are these basics. So you need to first educate them. In order to educate them, you need to be educated about it.
Yeah.
Right. Now the second biggest challenge that all these freshers face is, हमने तो SEO WordPress पे पढ़ा था, अभी HTML में कैसे करें? ये तो वेबसाइट किसी की एंगुलर में बनी है, किसी की पता नहीं PHP पे हार्ड कोडेड है अलग से. How do we do SEO on this?
Exactly.
So in these conditions, you will have to work with the developer. As an SEO, your job will become then to give suggestions. Even if it's technical, you give suggestions. Okay? And then you work with the developer in order to get those things out. So that is how things work.
But the mechanism remains same, na? That like
yes,
following
the blueprint.
The Yoast plugin.
Yeah. Whatever you do with the Yoast plugin, the basic mechanism is the same.
Okay.
You just do it on an HTML now, and you do it now manually with the help of a developer. You
Yeah.
tell them कि यहाँ पे title tag ये डालो, अब यहाँ पे H1 tag ये डालो,
Okay.
यहाँ पे bold करो इस चीज को, bold tag डालो, इस
Okay.
type से.
Okay.
That is how it will go.
Okay. And sir, one more thing, like talking about the complete SEO thing. You told us about two types of SEO, like only one type. First, on page. Second is I am telling you off page. What is the third one?
So when I just said technical, so technical is considered something very different. Though it's part of on-page SEO only,
Yeah.
but it is treated as a separate thing. There is local SEO also.
Yeah.
So just to give you an example for this, when Corona wasn't there, I'm talking about 1.5 years back. I was training one of the classes, and we were doing SEO module. Local SEO is taken in the last of it, always, where you do talk about Google Maps and all. There was a small idea that I gave to one of the students, and of the entire batch, only that one student implemented it.
Okay.
Because of that one thing, he was able to generate approximately 50,000 in his first month.
Nice.
What is the simple idea? Simple idea. Lots of restaurants are out there.
Yeah.
CP area, Delhi area, anywhere in Delhi, there are a lot of local businesses.
Okay.
And they don't know anything about digital marketing.
Okay.
Okay. What is a simple thing that I recommended this person was that you go out there, start talking to these local business owners, pick up a type. So let's say pick up dentists only, pick up some clinics only, pick up only restaurants, specific type of restaurant that you will do only Chinese. Pick up a niche, small niche, and only reach out to these people and say you will do local listing SEO for them.
Okay.
Now, local listing SEO, why I recommended it? It is lesser effort,
Yeah.
very little effort.
Okay.
You do maybe 1 hour on a daily basis maximum, if that is what you want to do, or even if 3 to 4 hours on a weekly basis, it will start delivering your result in a 1 month's time frame. Okay?
Yeah.
Since the work is little, you can charge little for it. And businesses are very happy giving little money.
Exactly.
कि 500,000-1500 रुपए में मेरा काम हो जाएगा. I am very happy. उनको लगता है मेरी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हो रही है. And they're telling them, अरे मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूँ 1500 रुपए में. And the student is also happy. They're getting real life practical exposure.
Exactly.
They're learning how to do BD, how to do sales, how to close a client, and the practical execution of SEO also.
Local SEO.
Yeah. So one student implemented it. उसने 1000 से 5000 के बीच में अपनी सर्विसेज बेची, and in a month's time frame अपने local area के सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स को पकड़ के उसने local SEO किया उनका. Google My Business पे Gmail अकाउंट बना के उसने Google My Business बना के दिया. उन्हीं की फोटोज लेके उसे अपलोड किया. टाइटल वाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शन वो सब भर दिया. डन. ओवर. दे दिया. हैंड ओवर. This process for one business takes 1 hour maximum.
1 hour.
It's a maximum 1 hour job.
Even less than that also.
Yeah. I am saying slow internet connection है, slow computer है. इसके साथ.
Okay.
ठीक है.
तब तो सर 1 hour भी बहुत कम है.
So a 1 hour thing, and on a monthly basis when he was able to do it, at the end of it he was able to generate around 50k. I mean, he was so happy कि सर मेरा काम हो गया, मेरी फीस निकल गई. And it's a very big achievement. कॉलेज के बच्चे के 50,000 रुपए महीने का कमाना, it's a big thing.
Big achievement, yeah. Exactly.
And simple stuff, no rocket science, nothing.
Exactly.
That is the power. That is the power of digital marketing. There are very simple things that you can do, and using those simple things, you can actually produce decent amount of cash.